Hello friends, welcome back to Rahul English Study. Today we are going to discuss about 10 questions for TGT PGT English Literature and other English Literature competitive exams as a practice set 28. So let's start. Question number 1. The Reform Bill was passed in 1830, 1834, 1831, 1832. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 1832. The Reform Bill was passed in 1832. Option D will be the right answer. Next question. What is Three Nodi? Victory song, marriage song, death song, none of these. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be death song. Three Nodi is that song, so the option C will be the right answer. Three Nodi is a song of lamentation for the dead. Next question. Pope was the master of songs of nature, tragedy, lyrical poetry, satire. What will be correct answer? Pope was the master of satire. Option D will be the right answer. The English poet Alexander Pope was a master of satire and epigram. He was often spiteful and malicious, but he wrote lines that live. He is one of the most frequently quoted writers in the English language. Next question. The Origin of Spices was written in 1857, 1859, 1847, 1849. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be 1859. Option B will be the right answer. Darwin published On the Origin of Species, proposing continual evolution of species. The first printing of Charles Darwin's books On the Origin of Species by means of nature selection or the preservation of favored races in the struggle for life, sold out in a matter of days. Next question. Who wrote Waverley? Scott, Masefield, Pope, Black. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Scott. Waverley wrote Scott. Option A will be the right answer. Sir Walter Scott was one of the best-selling novelists of the 19th century and is credited with establishing the historical novel. His first novel, Waverley 1814, tells the story of Edward Waverley, a native young man who is posted to Scotland with his regiment. Next question. Bassanio is married to Portia, Nereida, Hermia, Helena. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Portia. Bassanio is married to Portia. Option A will be the right answer. Bassanio wins the right to marry Portia because he solves the riddle and correctly chooses the right casket, while the other suitors have incorrectly chosen the gold or silver casket. Bassanio chooses the lead casket and finds a pictures of Portia inside, signaling that he can claim her as his bride. Next question. Untouchable was published in 1934, 1935, 1936, 1937. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Untouchable was published in 1935. Option B will be the right answer. Untouchable is a novel by Mulk Raj Anand published in 1935. The novel established Anand as one of India's leading English authors. Next question. The name of Chesterton's detective is Wimsey, Brown, Pater Brown, Miss Maples. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Brown. Option B will be the right answer. The name of Chesterton's detective is Brown. Next question. Who is the heroine in Shakespeare's Tempest? Portia, Narsisa, Cordelia, Miranda. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Miranda. Option D will be the right answer. Miranda is Prospero's daughter and his only child. We are not told anything about her mother. She was cast out to sea with her father when she was 3 years old and knows nothing about the world except what her father has taught her. Next question. Agnes Grey is written by Emily Bronte, Charlotte Bronte, Annie Bronte, John Austen. What will be correct answer? Correct answer will be Annie Bronte. Option C will be the right answer. A novel is the first novel by English author Annie Bronte, writing under the pen name of Action Bell. First published in December 1847 and republished in a second edition in 1850. So friends, I hope you enjoyed learning about 10 questions. Like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.